Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic, the Philippines. Did you know that this Southeast Asian gem is made up of a whopping 7,641 stunning islands? Trust me, you won't want to miss out on learning all about this incredible archipelago and its diverse beauty. From the bustling cities to the pristine beaches and breathtaking landscapes, the Philippines has it all. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's embark on a virtual journey through this tropical paradise. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell as we uncover the wonders that await us in the Philippines. The country of the Philippines is made up of 7,641 islands. This archipelago is located in Southeast Asia and is known for its diverse geography, which includes beautiful beaches, lush landscapes, and scenic mountains. The islands vary in size, with Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao being the largest and most populous. While some islands are densely populated and bustling with cities and urban areas, others remain remote and untouched, offering a serene and pristine environment. The Philippines is a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors from around the world who come to explore its stunning islands, rich culture, and warm hospitality. The presence of so many islands makes the country unique and provides opportunities for various recreational activities, such as island hopping, diving, snorkeling, and beach vacations. Overall, the Philippines' thousands of islands contribute to its natural beauty and make it a remarkable place to visit and explore. And that concludes our exploration of the mesmerizing Philippines. From the vibrant cities to the idyllic islands, it's clear that this archipelago is a true paradise on Earth. I hope you enjoyed learning about the Philippines' 7,641 islands and the diverse beauty they offer. If this video has inspired you to visit or explore more, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Also, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who also have a passion for travel and discovering new destinations. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey, and I'll see you in the next adventure.